See, now today we're discussing about there is another chapter, ray optics. Ray optics. Now this is the weightage for the final exam is given by the 4 plus 2. One 4 marks question, one 2 marks question. The total this weightage will be given in final exam 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6 marks. 6 marks. Now the first we're discussing about this chapter. See what is given by the ray optics. The first we learn about in a ray. See what we're discussing by the ray. Ray is nothing but the line segment. The line segment with a specific direction. With a specific direction. So what is the line segment with specific direction called ray. See the line segment with specific direction. The specific direction means, for example, this will be direction, or this is the direction, or it will be direction, this is the direction, and it is. See, this is the line segment with a specific direction is called as the ray. The next we are discussing about the optics. What is the optics? The optics is nothing but to light. Optics is nothing but what is the light. See, electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation. Wavelength from 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. So what is the electromagnetic radiation? Wavelength from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer is called light. Is called as the light. This light is nothing but what is called as the optics. Light is nothing but what is called as the optics. Now the wavelength of light is very small. The wavelength of light is very small compared of ordinary objects. See what is saying here? The wavelength of light is very small because of how much is there here? The 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer between is there is called the light. Now this very small the compared to the ordinary light. Now this light, the speed in a vacuum, the speed of light. See here the speed of light in vacuum. See that is denoted by the C is equal to, it is the constant value 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per second. That is the velocity of light, also say, or speed of light in vacuum. Now next we are discussing about the topic is the ray of light. So what is the ray of light? A light wave can be considered to travel from one point to another. Along a straight line. straight line, along a straight line, joining them, the path is called, the path is called ray of light. The path is called ray of light. See here, see what is saying here in ray optics. In ray of light means what is a light wave can be considered to travel one point to another. See, for example, this is the one point. This is the one point. This is considered the another point. So this is one point. This is the another point. When the light travel from one point to another, so this is a one point to another along straight line. You are joining them. This path is called the ray of light. It is not a particular direction. It is there any direction. For example, we are considered this is the one point. Here is considered the another point. Then where the line joining between this two one is also called as the ray of light. See, the next we discussing about the topic is the beam of light. The bundle of ray of light. The bundle of ray of light. So what is that? The bundle of ray of light are called beam of light. See here the bundle means the number of lights. See, for example, this is the one light, this is the another light, and this will be the another light, this is the another light. See, this is totally called as the bundle of ray of light or called as the beam of light. Now this light is a form of in which causes the sensation of vision. See, now we are discussing about the properties of this light. See, light is form of energy. Which causes the sense of vision. అంటే మనం ఏదైతే చూస్తామన్నా దాన్ని కూడా మనకు ఈ చూంచడం జరుగుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద లైట్. అంటే మనం ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ చూడాలన్నా ఆ లైట్ ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఫాలో కావాలి, మనకు ఐ పైన ఫాలో అయినప్పుడు నౌ వీ కెన్ సీ ద క్లియర్లీ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. దట్ ఈస్ డ్యూ టు ఆన్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ద light. Now light has the two natures. One is the particle nature, and one is the wave nature. The light has a two nature. One is a particle nature, another one is the wave nature. That wave nature can be discussing about the next chapter, that is a wave optics. And the particle nature we can discussing about in a dual nature of radiation and matter. That lesson we can discussing about by that particle nature. The next point, light satisfy the sum of the properties. The light satisfied the sum of the properties like rectilinear propagation, reflection, refraction, total internal reflection in particle nature. These topics will be discussing about in this chapter. So that is what is the reflection, refraction and total internal reflection in a particle nature we can discussing about by in this chapter. And the last property is there. Some of the properties like interference, diffraction are the satisfied in the wave nature. This wave nature of the topic we discussing about in a wave optics. That we say the next chapter we can discussing about in a interference and diffraction of a light. Now here in this chapter we the mainly be discussing about the reflection, refraction, total internal reflection, and also we can discussing the lenses and mirrors we can discussing about in this chapter.